Bless.
This is the Jamaican adventure.
Thanks for tuning in, and a special thank you to all of our subscribers. Thank you for supporting us, and if you're new to this channel, thank you for watching. We hope that you will enjoy this video and become a subscriber too.
So get ready for another road trip with us here in Jamaica, because we are leaving the beautiful town of Fair Prospect here at Long Bay Beach in the parish of Portland, and we are heading over to the parish capital, which is Port Antonio. Along the way we are supposed to see a few attractions, but I'm not sure if we are able to actually get out of the car, or if we want to get out of the car, because it's rainy season. So let's pack our suitcases and see what we will encounter. Let's go!
Now we just need to get to our little red hoopty over there.
Okay, let's try it. Okay, I would call it strong rain, because I'm wet entirely.
So we're good, right?
Yeah.
Heading out. Wow. We are in the car. Ellie is still looking for the phone in the back there, so we have navigation. The rain got a little bit less, so we hopefully have a good ride here now.
We just stopped by the gas station, and now we're filling up on some gas and hitting the road shortly.
So we actually make it to Port Antonio. We have a half a tank and we should be fine. Bye bye, Fair Prospect.
Well, the rainy season in Jamaica can be very harsh. As you could see, we have a bit of a flooding happening right here. All the cars are slowed down, and we're going to try and make it through this little section. So bear with us here.
I think we made it.
We made it. So it is raining very heavily here in Portland, and I'm very happy that we actually left a bit earlier than our checkout time, because this gives us quite a bit of time to get to our next destination, because we're not quite sure how the roads are, and right now it's not so great from here, but I think it gets better as we go further. And I think we're heading closer to the Boston Jerk Center.
Hey, you guys have already food ready?
Yeah, chicken and pork ready.
So we are right now here at the Boston Jerk Center, which is one of the stops along the way. Unfortunately, we also want to go to Boston Beach, but Boston Beach is, I don't know if it's closed, but it's certainly raining too much for us to take a swim. So let's go to Boston Jerk Center.
Boston Jerk Center.
Boston Jerk Center, and we are
This is our friend here. If you're ever in Boston Jerk Center, this is the man to look out for. This is Shaba.
Go to Shaba. He will take care of you. The best jerk chicken in town.
Okay, this is the jerk sausages. Jerk sausages. Rice sweetness to both jerk sausages, yeah? Okay. Okay. This is the jerk pork, everything good, yeah?
Oh wow, look at that.
Okay, we want sweet potato bread.
We just want some juice.
Okay, bless it.
We just had some great jerk chicken,
We got some coconut water
some
as
coconut
well.
water, and now we're heading out back on the road. So we just had some amazing jerk chicken at the Boston Jerk Center. It was juicy, it was spicy, and it really lived up to its reputation.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely. This one totally hits the spot. It was just It was amazing.
It was amazing.
Good.
And as a little add-on, it was not the first time we were here. The first time we were here, we actually got also some chicken. But we must say it was a little dry the first time and we were a little bit disappointed, I believe.
Yeah.
And we thought we would give it another shot before we are heading out, and we are really happy we did because this was fire. So if you're in the area, I recommend to check it out. Tell them that you want to get the juicy meat, and I think you will have an experience for a lifetime. Really good food, really good chicken. Oh, I don't do it.
So we're passing by the sign that says welcome to the Blue Lagoon.
Yeah, we just passed by the Blue Lagoon, and unfortunately the roads, everything here is a little bit not stable enough for me to risk it that we just go down there. Yeah, this area is almost the Beverly Hills and Malibu of Jamaica, in my opinion at least. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below.
So we just pulled over for a brief moment because our battery's dying, and if our batteries die, we cannot show you Port Antonio, which we are super excited about. So we're changing the batteries at the moment and head back on the road.
Yeah, we just changed the battery and now we keep going. Yeah, we have arrived in Port Antonio and the traffic just got a little bit more here. But I already see a KFC here on the side, so it seems we are yeah, back to the city life. We have arrived in Port Antonio, but unfortunately a little bit too early because we have to wait another 2 hours till we can finally check into our Airbnb. So we used the time a little bit, we drove around and ended up at the Errol Flynn Marina, which is a beautiful harbor with some beautiful boats. Now we're having a little lunch here and then we're heading to the Airbnb. And if you're wondering what are we eating right now, we are having ackee and saltfish, yummy yummy. So we are right now at our Airbnb, but we have still another 50 minutes ahead of us where we need to wait till we finally can check in. And unfortunately we cannot explore the area here because it's raining like crazy, so it's a little bit more waiting time for us. We have arrived in Port Antonio and actually checked into our Airbnb, and we are pretty beat after that little bumpy ride. So we are probably getting something to eat right now and get ready for our next video. So you should do the same, get ready for our next video. We don't know what it will be about, but it will be highly likely here in the area of Port Antonio.
And again, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Jamaican Adventure and turn on those notifications so you know when we're dropping a new video. Until then,
Auf Wiedersehen, see you soon, later.